Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how just 1 minute of morning meditation can completely change your day. Yes, even if you're super busy. Let's dive in. Number 1. Clears morning mental clutter. Right when you wake up, your mind is often racing, to-do lists, work stress, phone notifications. A simple 1-minute meditation helps clear that mental fog, letting you start your day with focus and calm. Number 2. Boosts your mood instantly. Taking just 60 seconds to breathe deeply and center yourself triggers feel-good hormones. It sets a positive emotional tone for the whole day. Number 3. Reduces stress before it starts. Morning is when cortisol, your stress hormone, is at its peak. 1 minute of mindful breathing helps lower cortisol, keeping you more balanced. Number 4. Sharpens your focus for the day. Instead of jumping straight into emails or chores, pausing for a minute tunes your brain to what really matters. It's like hitting a mental reset button. Number 5. Builds self-discipline. Committing to even a tiny habit every morning strengthens your self-discipline. It's proof that you can keep promises to yourself. Number 6. Makes you less reactive. Throughout the day, you'll face little annoyances, traffic, rude comments, unexpected delays. That 1 minute of calm helps you respond thoughtfully instead of reacting emotionally. Number 7. Sparks creativity. When you slow down your mind, you give space for creative thoughts and ideas to pop up. You might suddenly solve a problem you've been stuck on for days. Number 8. Improves your physical health too. Deep, slow breathing lowers blood pressure, improves digestion, and even helps your immune system. All from a simple 1-minute practice. So there you have it, 8 powerful ways a tiny morning meditation can transform your entire day. Try it tomorrow. Just 1 minute. You'll be amazed at how different you feel. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who needs a calm start, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple life upgrades.